Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze next week for your next week goal trading. So last week I have told this level 19, 10, 19, 14 level is the best buy zone for your gold trading. So you can join with my Telegram, link is below for accurate gold signal. So I am in a daily chart. You can see that this buy zone, this is the buy zone, is 1910, 1902 level is the buy gold, so bets buy zone. So this is the daily chart. So I have moved to the 4-hour chart. So this is the 4-hour chart, and you can see that this yellow color zone, so best buy zone for gold. So you can see the left side is the best buy zone. This is the technically, this is the chart for 4 hours. So I am seeing this pattern is continue to the downside. This is the pattern is continue to the downside is in gold. This is the pattern, it is going to the downside. This is the ranging triangle pattern is going to the downside. You can see this move already completed 3 move, first move and the second move, and already completed 3 moves. So I am expecting so next week, so price is in this zone and break to the upside like this, and this is 1930 is the target in next weeks, and this is 1904 is the 1904, 1905 is the best buy zone. This is technically I am seeing this. Let's move the economic data, what is the important in next week. You can see the 15th August retail sales USD. So retail sales 0.2% is previous, 0.4% is forecast is Fed. If retail sales is positive for US dollar, that is the gold sell chance again, and retail sales drop to the 0.4% below, that is the gold buy. So that is the important economic event in next week. USD USA retail sales, you will touch with that economic event. So this is the economic data next week. So technically I am seeing this is the pattern. So I am hoping price is again going to the this 1905, 1904 level, and it will next setup is break to the upside and retest and going to the upside. 1930 is the next target. So it's, and then it will, I am hoping, drop again to the downside like 19. This is the 2 zones I am expecting. So this is the 1927 zone, and this is 1933 zone. So this is the 2 zones I am expecting price retest and drop again like this. This is the I am expecting. So next week price move to 1905 and retest again and drop again. That is the my analysis next week. So you can trade your own money management, risk management well, and get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation. So thank you.